Hi, today let's talk about continuous integration. My name is David Muir. I'm a business development manager at Hexagon, helping our automotive customers making excellent ADAS systems. If you look at the evolution of ADAS systems in the last decade, we have come a long way. While it was nice to have back then, it became now mainstream. For example, adaptive cruise control. You see it in all new cars today. It's actually great as it helps the drivers to keep a safe distance from surrounding cars. The number of ADAS features has increased significantly over the years. And the complexity of ADAS has also increased, leading to multiple quality issues and delays in SOP. To keep up with this increasing complexity and fast feature development, OEMs and Tier 1s need to test very early in the development process. And even more important, they need to build fast feedback loops. Each time a developer changes a line of code, he needs a feedback in the matter of hours, whether his new code is performing as expected and whether it did not break anything elsewhere in the code. You can imagine that this is not easy to achieve, as you have many developers working in parallel on a complex and safety-critical system. The process I just described here is what we can call continuous integration and continuous testing. To enable continuous integration and continuous testing, OEMs and Tier 1s need an environment simulation solution that is open, configurable, and scalable. This is exactly what we propose with our new cloud-native environment simulation solution called VTDx. Do you want to see how this works concretely in VTDx? Just have a look at the following example from Lincoln.
Hello, I will be demonstrating an example usage of the CLI in a pipeline. And here is one of the script or should I say, is the script that we're gonna run for demo purposes. The script sets up some initial settings before we actually start the job simulation. At first, we're gonna delete some old projects. We're then gonna create a project. We're then going to list the project that we just created, and then starts our main task in the pipeline. So we are going to do a loop where we are creating a test case and creating a job. We have done some code changes so that we can push to our repository in Azure, and that will trigger our pipeline run. All right, so we're gonna see that we're gonna push it, work in progress, and push. Back to the home page, we can see that there are no projects, and the CLI is going to create a project for us in order to create test cases, in order to run job simulations. So we are still at the preparation step. Okay, now we have reached the step where the script is running. It's showing us what current user is being used, and it's deleting the old projects. It's creating a new project. And then we list the project that it has created. That means that we have a project now. So I'm just going to refresh the page. And we can see that there are projects, or one single project that was created. And the test case has been created. We can also see that its job has also been created. So that's what the pipeline does. That's what the script does. It goes into a loop where it creates a test case and a job, a test case and a job. And you can see it's still running. And we can navigate back and forth to see that this is connected. I'm just going to navigate. Oh, I can see that the second test case has been created. And that means that the second job will be shown to us at any given moment. Yeah. And this loop is just going to continue for demo purposes that what the CLI is going to be used for. And here we can see that yes, indeed, it did create some jobs and test cases. And it's still going on until it reached a threshold. And we can see one of the jobs has completed, and it's still continuing to creating test cases and jobs.
So you see, you can easily integrate it into continuous integration pipelines. You can access your results very quickly and share important dashboards across the organization to come to rapid decisions with management. And the bonus on top of it is that you have the option to run it as private or public software as a service. This will be explained in our next episode, so please stay tuned.